Boy, Maytag is making them right today. Look at that, 4 years old. Recirculation pump, destroyed. Piece of crap. I don't even know what this piece is called or if I can replace it. I am so tired of this Chinese crap. Made in America B. You can't make this stuff up. Look at that. It's destroyed. Self-destructed. Nothing I can do with that. It's 150 bucks, I believe, for a new part. Gotta buy a whole new motor. I mean, it's donezoed. I don't even know what that thing's called. If anybody knows, please let me know, because I'd much rather replace that, but I guarantee you it's not gonna be that easy.